How to change currency on derivatives. I'm going to show you how you can easily change currency on derivatives. To change the currency on derivatives, start by logging into your account and accessing the settings menu by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top right corner. From there, scroll down to the account section and click on the currency option. A drop-down list will appear, allowing you to select your desired currency. Once you've made your selection, confirm the change by clicking Save. Please note that changing your currency may have implications for your account balance and also trading conditions, such as different leverage or margin requirements. If you're unsure, it's always best to contact derivative support via live chat, email, or phone to request a currency change and discuss any specific requirements or restrictions that may apply to your account.